Alright, ladies and gentlemen, for today's assignment, just in case you may feel like you're a little bit confused on the instructions, you have two documents. One is the practice document checklist, and the other one is the practice document. These are the instructions, and this is the document that you're going to do the instructions to. So, today, you're only going to do the first 8 instructions. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You will stop right here for today. And you will do the rest tomorrow. So you'll do the other instructions tomorrow. So, the first thing that it tells you to do is to change the font to Times New Roman in 14 point. So, I'm going to come over here. I'm going to highlight everything in this document. And I'm going to change the font to Times New Roman, but I'm not through because it wants it to be 14 point. So I'm going to then change it to 14 point. And there, now I'm done with this first instruction. So what I'm going to do, just so I know I'm done, is I'm going to do that, and I'm going to highlight it. That tells me I'm done with it. That's just me, so I know I'm done. So the next thing it says is insert the title, cosmetologist, and center align it. So I'm going to go back to the top. I need to put a title up here. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to click here. I'm going to press enter. Make everything go down. Then I'm going to go back up to this line and type cosmetologist because that's the title. Cosmetologist. I think that's it. That's spelled correctly. Cosmetologist. And then it wants to be center aligned. See, this says center align the title. So just typing the title does not work. I need to center align it. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to go up to where the alignment bars are. And all of this information it tells you to do, you have had access to it because you did the learning.com assignments. Now, if you haven't done them, that's why I've been stressing for you to go and do them so that you would be able to do today's assignment. So what you will then do is go here and notice that it says center, and I will click this and it aligns it in the center. So then I'm going to again come over here and I want to highlight this because I want to know that I've done it. So you don't have to do that. You can just move on to the next one. That's just for me. So the third one is I'm going to underline and bold the following words: core tasks, attributes and abilities, workplace, and working conditions. So I'm just going to do the first one for you. So I'm going to find the words core tasks. So they are right here. So I'm going to highlight this. It says to do what to it now? It says to underline it and bold it. So I can do that right here because it brings up this little task window. So I'm going to highlight it, then I'm going to click B for bold, and I'm going to come here and underline it. So, and then I will find the next one, which is attributes and abilities. If I go down through here, look at this. There it is right there. I'm going to highlight it and do the same thing that it tells me to do. Now, I've started the process for you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a matter of reading instructions and then following through on your document what it says for you to do on your instructions. Now, let me also help you with saving this file. What you want to do when you save it is you'll click File, just as the instructions had told you, and click Save As. And then for you, I would suggest that you click the word Browse, and then go to Documents right here. Click Documents, and then save it, right? Leave it or name it as it has told you to name it, which is last name, first name, and then word processing document, or whatever it says. You have to look at it and do what it says. And then click Save. Now tomorrow, when you come in, you're going to open up a blank document. So if you're going to open up your blank document, and then your blank document, you'll click File, and then Open. Click Browse, then click Documents, and then your file will be in there that you have named it, so you'll be able to find it. So if you have questions about that, you can always refer back to this video so that you can locate your document. Finally, just remember, you're following instructions and doing what the instruction tells you to do. You're going to do it to the document. So in the end, when you get to the end down here, what you started out with is certainly not going to be what you end up with, okay? So it's just a matter of following the instructions. If you follow the instructions, you will certainly not have any problems. Thank you so much. Have fun.